The hot water we rely on flows through heating systems that create the perfect conditions for Legionella, dangerous bacteria that spread through warm water and put lives at risk. The standard fix, raising water temperatures above 70 degrees Celsius, is costly, wasteful, and inefficient. CQM Group works behind the scenes to stop Legionella before it can spread, without extreme heat and without excessive costs. Meet the SRLB. The process begins with a pump that draws water from the main city line and mixes it with food-grade brine, raising the salinity before circulating it into the SRLB reactor. As an electric current passes through, ions in the water are separated to generate chlorine and additional oxidants on demand. The chlorine is collected in a tank and injected as needed into the client's main water line. This neutralizes Legionella and other biological contaminants, ensuring clean, safe water throughout the system. The SRLB doesn't just disinfect, it also takes care of itself. A built-in self-cleaning mechanism removes scale buildup before it becomes a problem, keeping performance steady with minimal maintenance. Proven in hospitals and hotels worldwide, the SRLB delivers quick return on investment, protects public health while cutting costs and reducing energy waste. CQM Group works behind the scenes so you can focus on what truly matters.